direct instruction for table. You click table, you say insert table. Here you have to choose the numbers of columns. They say columns 8, rows I need 6, so auto fix. So you say okay. Now you can see, you can just come here to pull more down. So if you need more, you could also insert. You just come to layout. When you click, you will see insert, left, insert right, above. However, anyone that you need, you say bam. You can see there is addiction. Now you can manually move this and adjust this. Always remember, to achieve something like this, you need a landscape paper setup. So you can now move this. It's now okay. You can start working based on what you need to do. Always remember. Now to place this at the center, we could increase it. So let me use